Hi, I'm Chris Richmond, the Senior Product Manager for Communication Systems here at LinkedIn, and I wanted to show you a few of the new features that we have coming out. The first one is with the inbox on the home page. In the past, inbox messages had a tendency to disappear too quickly off the home page. After you logged in, about a day later they'd disappear, and people would sometimes forget that they had messages to reply to. So we've changed the logic there so that it will always show your 5 most recent action items. You can hover over the Take Action link there and take an appropriate action. This is an invitation, so I can accept it just by clicking there right from the home page. I can also click on Inbox itself and go to the full-fledged inbox. The second feature I want to show you is with network updates. We've been adding more customization features to the home page so that people can have exactly the information that they want on their home page. So one of the features that we've added is under Accountant Settings. Click Accountant Settings here at the top, and there's a new section called Homepage that has a page called Network Updates. So you click here, and it will list off the various types of network updates that we show you. You can choose to show or hide whichever ones you're interested in or not interested in seeing. And down here, there's a drop-down where you can select the number of updates that you'd like to see on your home page. Right now, the default is about 15, but you can choose more or less as you see fit. And then you hit Save Changes, and it will save what you've done. One more feature that we've got that I'm particularly proud of is our new status feature. Part of the idea behind this was that I often find when I'm talking with colleagues, people I've worked with in the past, one of the first things we always talk about is what are we working on? What's going on at work these days? LinkedIn doesn't really have a way for you to share that right now. In your profile, we can see what your position is and kind of a description of it, but no recent information for what you're actually doing right now. There's a lot of things I think this feature will be useful for. So over here on the left, underneath your picture and title, it says simply, what are you working on? Click on it, it'll pop up a balloon, and when you click in the text box, we list a few suggestions. So you can say simply what you're working on. If you're going to be traveling somewhere, you can go ahead and put that there. Maybe you'll be able to meet up with connections that are also going to be in the same area. Looking for advice on something, looking for a job. If you've just read a good book on product management or something, you can share that with your connections. So you just click on one of these, then go to the text box, finish typing. In this case, I'm working on the new status feature. And I hit save. And what this will do then is it will show it on my profile when somebody else is looking at it underneath my name. You also see it here on your home page, so you know what you have your current status set to. But it will also create a network update out to your connections, so you can keep them informed of what you're doing, see if they have good advice, comments, feedback for you, and I think there'll be quite a few useful things that you'll find you can do with it. So that's what we've been up to. As always, I'd love to hear your feedback, so please leave comments on the blog, and I'll try to reply to as many as I can. And thank you.